Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mickey in the Bayou on his General HP40. Mickey, got it ready to go for you, bud? Tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. You told me where you wanted your low and high power, so we did just that for you. 5-watt slug, low power. Right there about 2 watts. High power, right there 4 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing first. 250 watt slug. Low. So we got about 25 bird there. 250 watt slug and PEP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. About 130. Let's go to low power. You're still going to see that good forward swing. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A good 125. Alright, Mickey, it's ready to come to you, bud, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.